The church in the city was very famous. Devotees and priests came there to pray and pay their respects to God, carrying flowers. Outside the church were little stalls selling flowers, incense, sweets, coconuts, and many other offerings. Among them was the stall of a poor old woman who sold flowers. One day, 4 young priests came to the church. They looked around for a safe place. Seeing the old woman, they thought she appeared to be a trustworthy person. They went to her stall and greeted her. One of them asked,
"Mother, we are outsiders here. We want to worship in the church. May we leave our bundle here while we go into the church, please?"
The old woman agreed to look after their bundle. So, leaving it with her, they went in. After some time, one of the 4 friends came to the woman's stall to claim the bundle. She looked at him carefully and saw that he was indeed one of the 4 who had left it with her. She asked him where his friends were.
"They are waiting near the other exit of the church,"
he explained. Satisfied, she picked the bundle up and gave it to the young man, and he went off with it. Sometime later, the other 3 men came to the stall and asked for the bundle. The old woman was surprised. She asked them,
"Your friend took it. Hasn't he joined you yet?"
You gave him our bundle? We trusted you. Shame on you for helping him steal our things.
They accused her. They refused to listen to her explanations and continued to shout at her. The old woman was in tears. A small crowd had collected by then at the shop. When people heard the argument and saw the woman crying, someone finally suggested that they should go to court to get the problem settled. The 3 men set off and took the old woman, still crying, with them. When the king heard the matter, he called his wise minister and told him to solve it. The minister heard the young men and the protest of the old woman.
"It is very simple. Mother, you must return their bundle. And you, young men, please go and fetch your 4th friend. 4 of you gave her the bundle, didn't you? So 4 of you must be there to receive it back from her. Now, go."
The young men knew they were beaten. The old woman was relieved and blessed the minister as she went back to work.